Only with this video. Share this video. Share this video. You may not understand dialogue Kenneth Shibweze. You may not understand what Ezugo is doing. Eodana. Eodago. You may not understand what Ezugo is doing. But later on this issue of Ngor-Okpala, you will come to appreciate what I am doing. Because what I am doing is the easiest and best way to put the information straight and save people from unnecessary stress. And I will keep doing that, not because anybody contracted me to do that, but because now I feel that for the sake of peace, for the sake of clarity, that is why I have invested my time into doing this clarification. Mega, thank you very much. Share this video. Now, our brother melu video wee kwuo na ndị Zion akwụgo some people ụgwọ. In fact, na akwụrụ ha 2.5 million to go to Owerri and demonstrate. Na ndị Zion kwụrụ some people ụgwọ, and na sad enough, I am quoting our brother, and na sad enough, no ndị befa ka akwụrụ that ụgwọ. So at least adgodum happy. Ma ọ bụrụ ndị Nnewi ka akwụrụ ụgwọ ka ha bịa mee demonstration about Ana bụ na Ngor-Okpala. Adum happy. Na ọhụ ndị Mbaise ka ndị Amakọhịa ma ọ wụ ndị Mgbidi ma ọ wụ ndị Ebonyi State ka akwụrụ ụgwọ ka ha bịa mee demonstration about Ana bụ na Ngor-Okpala. I am happy. No, your own people ka akwụrụ ụgwọ ka ha bịa mee demonstration. Now, before I go to eventually, I want to know why Vivian Ling, I believe Ebukobi representative didn't tell him the truth about all this case. I'm just against the first write-up of Governor Eziokwu, where he quoted how Ebukobi and Zion Ministry dragged their land. The land was actually given to Zion Ministry by the government because the state governor signed all the needed documents. Now this whole fight has to be between Ngor-Okpala and the state government, not with Zion Ministry. I can never believe that such a huge space of land was given to Zion without a huge ransom. Now, let us proceed with Ifen Nnewu. So, if your own people has been paid to demonstrate, they have been paid 10,000, like you said, 20,000 to some people, to demonstrate against your own people. Then the question is, who are the people who are fighting this cause with you? If as little as 10,000 and 20,000, they can be paid to come and speak against your people, then who is this particular cause I'm fighting for? I am curious. Then, if they were paid to go and demonstrate, then who paid those who did demonstration? We should show those on Facebook. Were those people also paid? Who paid them? If those people who demonstrated on that video that you showed us can come up willingly to go and protest, don't you think, or do you honestly think that the whole people of Eshe, is it Eshe or Ntu, Alatia, Amala, Eziama, and what is the name of the fifth community? Eben, this Anabala. Do you honestly think that now Every single person in these whole 5 communities are speaking the same language you are speaking. So you may referendum on this matter. Every single member of these 5 autonomous community will queue behind you. Because I know a lot of people from this community who are saying things contrary to this same thing you are saying, Mr. Governor. So, are you honestly thinking that those people cannot also rise up to go and demonstrate against this idea or this idea, narrative, yeah? I am asking, no, Eziokwu, this is not making anybody relevant. This is clarifying issues so that it will be clear to people. You hear from this side, you hear from this side. A lot of people now say, Ezugo, you are not from Ngor-Okpala. How come you are speaking as if you are sure? But I am happy that every single thing I said on that first live broadcast about this Ngor-Okpala land issue, that at least if we go from what is unfolding, that I wasn't wrong. There was an agreement. Did you not see the agreement? The man Ngor-Okpala to be the head of that committee. Did you not see him? Did you not see him boldly sign? Did you not see down on Ngukwe's signature immediately after Nke Gode? Did you not see it? So, I am not from Ngor-Okpala yet. I was privileged to such kind of documents, but I am not from Ngor-Okpala. So how can the people of Ngor-Okpala be claiming to be ignorant of Ifonyen Newima? Now, if those people who are going to Owerri to protest has been paid, as our brother said, then who paid those ones who demonstrated before? You see, you demonstrated with your people, with your own people, now the cause unu believe, when other people choose to do the same for cause ha believe, and that is the challenge we are experiencing in this social media. Because you will stay in your own page and say whatever thing you want to say. The moment in on a page, respond to that same thing or now the question is, if I have been paid to say what I said, who paid you to say what you said? Now go back to the video Mmelu about this case of Ngor-Okpala. At first, go and listen to that video. That people of Ngor-Okpala are planning to go on a protest. I got that information direct from somebody who is an Ngor-Okpala indigene, somebody who is well-to-do in Ngor-Okpala. You cannot give him 10,000. If you must give him money to even influence him, if he will take, you will go on millions of naira. So you will agree with me that he is not part of the people who were given 2.5 million, because that same person, 2.5 million. You see, so I know that the reason for the live broadcast this morning is so that all of that protest say the protest no toto. But the truth of the matter is that 2 days ago, when I made that video, I got knowledge about this protest, and I said it in that video. Go and watch the live broadcast about this Ngor-Okpala issue 2 days ago. I told you that somebody in Ngor-Okpala that the people of Ngor-Okpala who welcomed Zion development to Ngor-Okpala are planning to go on a protest. Onye gwalumefa a civil servant na-alụ ọrụ n'Owerri. Ọ na-alụ ọrụ na government ministry, government parastatals. He is well to do. He currently weigh about 2 projects he is building in Ngor-Okpala. He is not hungry. Oluchago residential house here more than how many years ago? Yes, because I've been to his house. So only gwalumife or gwalumabolo somebody do hungry. Yes, even some of the things only gwalumekubo. I am not even sure that even Akosayon will knowledge of some of those things. I am telling you. So how can you say that, okay, in the Ministry of Land and Survey, Sholo, Kahame press briefing today, Kaha Gwandemado, how the issue of this land started and where it is today. At least people with knowledge of government involvement in all this. Even before they made that press conference, you have assumed that they have been bought, that they have come to shortchange the people of Ngor-Okpala. So, if the Ministry of Land they do charge with the responsibility of seeing or foreseeing or do in charge of all the lands in the Imo State cannot speak on this matter. Government cannot speak on this matter. Who do you think it is going to say anything on this matter? Even the good people of Ngor-Okpala cannot even have the right of saying their mind on this matter. They will be termed then the Ministry of Land will be termed then who is the person who is charged with responsibility of unraveling this mystery? Go to Ngor-Okpala yourself. I want you to go to Ngor-Okpala yourself. Ije na Ngor-Okpala bido n'Okpala junction juru ndị mmadụ wee ruo na Amaala junction ka ịmalụ na ịjụọ mmadụ 100 about the presence of Zion na Ngor-Okpala ka ịmalụ ife 70 or 80 people ya agbago. I am not saying that 100 of them ya agba good things na ha welcome that development, but I am telling you ka ịmalụ ife about 80 ya agbago maka. Now are you telling me that 80 supersede with that 20? Yeah, that's going to demonstration. Nda demonstrate. Ayi man oh mmadụ niile ya ekwe. Even na Igbo taa. O nwere ndị ekwe ho. Mataya si ha ekwelu. But they are just minimal numbers. So how can you use the little numbers Mataya si ha constitute we say na ndị Igbo ekwugo? Who are the ndị Igbo? How can you use the little number Mataya si fado? Even in this social media space, they are little, even though they are noisy, but they are little. So, will it be right? No, brother, no, to Mataya Sefaku, ese, na ndi Igbo go. How many percentage of Igbo population how? That is the answer. They are not even up to the numbers in the first service, not to talk of second service, third or fourth service. They are not even up to that number. If you put first service, Akana New Life, first service, Akana Okuani, first service, Akana Cathedral St. Mary's, Ndo tu Mataya say are all together, Nebo Wasotolo, all Buruburu worldwide, are not even up to the numbers of this 3 people call first service in this 3. And I am not talking about Ndi Igbo non Lagos Akoka. I'm not talking about Ndi Igbo non Lagos Akoka. So where do you get that idea of Ngor-Okpala Ekugo? When the majority of the people from these 5 communities of Ngor-Okpala are all supporting the development in Zion. I have been in Ngor-Okpala. In fact, there was a time continuously for 2 months and Anama drive to Ngor-Okpala every day. every day. And I'm drive to Ngor-Okpala. Yes. Every day, madam Ngor-Okpala. No kido Ngor-Okpala. Or na go after 6 or after 5 to 6. When sing Ngor-Okpala. I mixed up with the people in that community. A lot of Ndokada neba Maloha. Even up to today. You know, Ngor-Okpala, I man weba control olu wakada. Ye bugu bujege bo on ije. I can do that. Man eba control olu wakada ye bugu. Bujelu ebu anywhere ije. Yes. Onweho contact me mo na Ngor-Okpala. Like onwehi feature na Ngor-Okpala today. Me nwehi ike e control mwenye yemeluye. That is how grounded ndoro na Ngor-Okpala before that 100 days fasting. Apagali gum na Ngor-Okpala more than where you can even think of. You gotta go. Share this video. This broadcast now drop. And I don't know why it is dropping. But for whatever reason why it is dropping, I don't know. You gotta go. Share this video. My connection is bad. Yes. Share this video. That is because you are not sharing this video and you are not clicking on the like na this video. So, all no way case when I report to this video. Onaga. Share this video. On network I draw bad. No, we cannot report to the video. Go watch he share, yeah? And they show you network and a like button. You know that go just look at a video about 17 minutes ago. 1,200 people I watched again so far, but only 46 people react to go to the video. So how do you expect the broadcast to be sustained? You know that go? Hey, but on a live broadcast, network and a like button, or you click here on love button. You know that go? Then they watch you know, no, you make where you share the video. Otherwise, it will be dropping. But anyway, let me say what I want to say. You want to go? So, are you getting what I am saying? Over. Let me be honest with you. Since you were doing Ngor-Okpala, even that time, I had 100 days. I'm everywhere and there around that Zion, even both Zion securities. Higher manner, every single day. Moto maha bafeta na Ngor-Okpala na that Zion ground. When Jebe Beneje, I was all over. Agachalu nduo meba neje gutaja oki we maluke bengaludo. So I interacted with these people. They were so happy. They were so happy. How to so grateful. The day Evangelist Eziokwu became emergency visit, they all ran out the moment Hanolo na convoy Evangelist Eziokwu na abia. They all ran out running after his convoy until, in fact, ha run after him for more than 20 minutes until we run at that Zion ground. So who are these people that are not happy about the presence of Zion Ngor-Okpala? Few of them can come together to protest, but a whole majority of them who are in support of Ifa cannot protest. And when they do so, then who paid them? Is that how hungry? Then Ngor-Okpala si wedo. Nke na yenye ha 10,000. We chatara ha moto. Ha yeji we bia. Owere. We bia protest. My brother. Kaimana mgbe ekpariri ndebe unu. Go. Kaimana mgbe ekpariri ndebe unu. My happiness won't admit in on the bono. Ka akwụrụ ụgwọ ahụ. No Honda Abia State and the Honda Ebonyi State. Non the bono ka akwụrụ ụgwọ. So the whole idea is just to do the short video so that in the evening that protest puta go where we sound the note the intelligence information no total. But what of me? But what of me? Who gave this same information 2 days ago? Oh no, not even the command to tell me yes. Or someone say we are not hearing what we are saying. Oh no, not even the yes. Somebody tell me yes. Tell him yes. Oh no, not even okay. Prince Francis said yes. Another person tell him yes. Click on like and love. Cannot work on your I made this broadcast face here, another thing. Because oh. So that is the idea. The whole idea is to raise an alarm about a protest that is going to happen, which I already said in the broadcast of 2 days ago. So only in I watching my video, this protest cannot be a new thing to you, because now somebody who is so grounded in Ngor-Okpala, a civil servant who stays in Owerri, where his own residential house in Owerri, in the heart of Owerri, and the lawyer too told me that the real people out of these 5 autonomous community has concluded a plan to go and demonstrate to show people that they are in support and they welcome Zion ministry to Ngor-Okpala. And they, be honest with you, Ngomwe biara 100 days last year. All na ndị Ngor-Okpala welcome Zion. Are you not going to know? Okada ni na ubulugu. Did you not see the happiness none of their face? So it has when no idol. They like it. Are you telling me that they will not wish for such occasion to be coming every 1 month or 2 months? How could they even forget what happened in Ngor-Okpala last year? It is a remarkable event that they will never forget. And as we speak now, people have started preparing for that stock goods for this coming 100 days fasting image. So how can they see the level of money they made last year and they will choose for that land to remain empty? They have already started witnessing the change. Who is honestly going to object to that juice about Ifanono? Who is going to object to that juice about Ifanono? How come now people cannot join my live broadcast? Why? Why? But when even men are higher join the live broadcast, I was going to get network. Oh, you get network. You want to go? You see? So, all nande neji me demonstration na no ugwo ka akwuru ha. Kele onye kwuru nde meru the first demonstration ugwo. Who paid them? It is a question that is begging for answer. So, I fuse demonstration and I say no ugwo ka akwuru ha. And that is how everybody keep accusing everybody on Facebook of being paid. Ndị na-akọtọ Zion na-asị na anyị nwa na-asụ unu kọtọdebe Zion na-akwụrụ anyị ụgwọ. Mgbe jụọ ngụnwa kele onye kwụrụ ụgwọ ịkọtọba Zion. Ndị sịrị na ndị kwuru maka Fada Mbaka na-akwụrụ ha ụgwọ. Ngụnwa who an adora na-ekwu against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Who paid you? Ndị sịrị na Evangelist Ebuka Obi ziri ndị dị otu a ndị dị otu a ha kwuo against Fada Mbaka. For as many as of you put on a Facebook speaking against Zion and Evangelist Ebuka Obi, who paid or who contracted you? It is a question. Ndị otu mata ya asịsịrị na ndị Zion na-akwụ anyị ụgwọ na ndị ụka na-akwụ anyị ụgwọ. Onye na-akwụ ngụnwa ụgwọ? It is a question because when I give my own opinion, ọwụrụ na-akwụrụ m ụgwọ. But when you give your own, ọwụrụ n'isi from obolo who ekwupụta. So who is paying you? Is it right if I say that all of us are being paid? Is it right if I say that all of us are being paid. Because if somebody can pay me for me to stand up against oppression, against nchakponanya, against bully, if on shall we evangelist Ebuka zuru ohi, I need na gbapụta na Facebook say yes, no wonyoshi, no wonyoshi, no wonyoshi, or don't possible. Because Ozurum, and it will take you a lot to convince me no wonyoshi. The same way is Yungwa Makamatayas. The same nase, no the innocent. It will also take me a lot to convince you. So if Zion ministry na kumogwo, who is paying you? All nanda you made demonstration now in the way of 2 days ago because now somebody gualomo. In fact, the person who gave me that update in Yelu told me I should expect a demonstration from the good people of Ngor-Okpala in a day, 2 or 3 days time. Lo and behold, our brother with our notice of that demonstration today, this morning, and that only the reason why shortly to raise that alarm. Later in the afternoon or in the evening. Say, okay, yeah, no, that is not an intelligence information. It is not. Somebody like me already about that. So that is a mind game. You could just say no one made the broadcast and the mother had been with the Marzin on MIV. Are you not from Ngor-Okpala? The mother when I make broadcast and I make protest. Hey, I know near 1 or 2 persons here. So you will have information about it. So, ABZ now what music or and the mother for that protest in Ambode. We say na nekukuri or walk as we are waiting for the update from the Ministry of Land and Survey. Their update here. Among their update or Yahweh against Zion Ministry or in support of Zion Ministry. To be honest with you, I don't know. But what I know is that government needs to come out and update people. Government needs to come out and update people and inform people, make people to have the knowledge of whatever thing that transpired. Government needs to come out and clear the doubt. Because it seems like they are the principal suspect in all this. In as much as now point a hand in Zion, that hand is pointing indirectly to them. You are calling the Zion land grabbers indirectly. You are calling the government of Imo State land grabbers. Yes, because how did Zion manage to get into that land? Through government. So when you accuse government, when you accuse Zion, you are indirectly accusing your government of grabbing your land. So government will say, let us come and clarify to people what the situation is. Even before they even say Jack, even before Robinson, when I conclude to go, may go be go her. Now, a group of innocent men and women from Ngor-Okpala said, no, this is the development we have been looking for. This is what we have wanted. Even before they even go on that peaceful demonstration, you have termed them, they go be. So, can you even so the truth of the matter is that 2.5 million. Such amount of money did not come to Ngor-Okpala from anywhere. Yes, that amount of money did not come to Ngor-Okpala from anywhere. These are well-meaning people of Ngor-Okpala who wants to come and demonstrate from trying to shortchange them from development. Now, Ngor-Okpala, you need to see the excitement in Nihundeneba. These are the people I have communicated with. I have communicated with them. Mandokada neba, they are now patiently waiting for another 100 days. Can they keke we zuafia? Can they nele we zuafia? Can they nele miri zuafia? Can they naro onoba zuafia? Ka business zukwakwa e patana Okpala junction. Oh na azu ha adiche ego. Ha adiche ego. Machine na agbafia. Machine ezukwa nulezu. Still e yafukwa ndị ji ọkpa na aga. Okwe Goserengo last year. I went there to show you the aftermath of that emeshiri, that 100 days. What I go? Careful the aftermath of Ifemelu. Iwefu Ife Rileli. Ife ni na hokona Ngor-Okpala ake golie. Eguni na hokona Ngor-Okpala akoba na pocket in the mud. Kishim 50 adware enough. Ekata for the people Biareba. Kishim 50. Mandena hubore. Mandena isi rice. Mandena isi swallow. Mandena isi fenine. Ma nya odure enough. Nya ke ya agwam na ndị Ngor-Okpala ya no. Ke ifa si ebe ha no po. Ha yekwe. So the idea is to let you know that onwere onye akwụrụ ụgwọ ka o je mee demonstration. But all the good people of Ngor-Okpala should demonstrate to show people that they are in 100% support of what is happening in Ngor-Okpala. One, if those who demonstrated before were not paid to do this, to do so, I wonder why these people will be termed as being paid to go and do the same thing those people at first did. Yes. Until then, let's keep our finger crossed as we wait patiently for the press briefing of Ministry of Land and Survey, Planning and Survey, also Imo State. Yemen or what I go. Why we hear the voice of the good people of Ngor-Okpala. What I go. Whether na no in support or na no in support. Whether na grab la nafa or na grab for anafa. Let them tell us. What I go. Share this video. What I go. Onye nolonya je ko one neye. What I go. I don't knowledge about this protest 2 days ago because na an indigenous Ngor-Okpala gwaram na ife ha na plan that they are not in support of anything ha na-ekwu na nchomo bia Ngor-Okpala juba ndị mmadụ one after the other. Na mmadụ convince you can also as well go and do so. Go and do so. Ke yare no na Facebook na do unnecessary emotionally down and this na gunu melo when ife na-eme go on the ground na Ngor-Okpala. You will hear first class information. You will encounter people one-on-one na Ngor-Okpala. Ask them about what they think about presence of Zion na Ngor-Okpala. They will tell you. Kodo.